In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps from the Salesforce AppExchange. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to enhance your platform's capabilities, learning to navigate the AppExchange can open up a whole world of possibilities. Let's get started. First, head over to the Salesforce AppExchange website. This is your one-stop shop for thousands of apps designed to extend the functionality of your Salesforce environment. Think of it like the App Store for your business needs. From marketing automation solutions to detailed analytics tools, AppExchange has it all. It's a marketplace teeming with resources to help your enterprise thrive, and knowing how to access these tools effectively will give you a significant edge. Now that you're on the Salesforce AppExchange homepage, you'll notice a search box at the top. The search functionality here is crucial because it allows you to quickly find apps that meet specific needs or interests. Whether you're searching for a particular function, vendor, or industry-specific tool, typing in relevant keywords will help streamline your search. So think about what you're looking to achieve or improve within Salesforce and enter those words into the search bar. This feature helps you not only save time, but also ensures you find the most applicable app for your requirements. After executing your search, a list of applications will populate. Take your time to review these options. Browsing through the listings, you'll encounter various apps, each offering a unique set of features. Don't hesitate to click on the app names to delve deeper into what each one offers. When choosing an application, consider factors like customer reviews, star ratings, pricing models, and compatibility with your current Salesforce setup. Once you've zeroed in on an app that you believe fits your needs, it's time to proceed to the next step. Click on your chosen application, and you'll be taken to its detailed listing page. Here, you'll find comprehensive information about the app, including features, screenshots, user reviews, and any related videos. When you're confident in your choice, locate the Get It Now button and click on it. This action will typically open a new tab. At this point, you'll need to authorize the installation of the app. An authorization page will appear, requiring you to grant permissions for accessing certain data within your Salesforce account. This step is critical as it ensures the app is correctly aligned with your Salesforce environment. Finally, after granting the necessary authorizations, you're almost done. Look for and click the Done button. This final step confirms the installation of the app into your Salesforce system. And that's it. Your app is now ready for use, integrated seamlessly within Salesforce. By following these steps, you've successfully installed an app from AppExchange, opening up new ways to innovate and streamline your business processes. Don't forget to explore and experiment with the new app to make the most out of your Salesforce experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.